happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because MelodySusie sent me over some new products to review. First, they came out with some more plant-based gel polishes. They are sweet scented gel polishes. So let's take a look at this collection really quick. I'm gonna get it swatched out for you as well. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it is sweet scented plant-based nail polish. Packaging is super cute. I like the design on it. Nothing on this side of the packaging. This here just gives more details about the polish and the ingredients. And if you guys are concerned, I want to make sure you're using really clean, good products. Make sure you're definitely reading the ingredients to ensure you're not having anything that causes allergies. But yeah, let's take a look at this collection. Oh, cute. Okay. So again, it says nature's perfume at your fingertips. It's plant-based, hypoallergenic, 21 non-toxic, carbon-conscious, mineral-derived pigments, and nano-milling technology. So it's supposed to be a very clean, healthy polish to use. Here it gives more information about how it's scented and how they source the gel. This is really cute. I've been using this as a bookmark, not exactly sure what they have it for, but I have it as a bookmark. I use it in some of my books and for my daughter. And then these are all the polishes. So these are the polishes that come in these odd shaped bottles. They're like kind of like golf balls. Oh, this here is another like little keychain thing. I've just been giving this to my daughter, and she puts her little like toys and accessories on here. These are all the polishes. It comes with 6 different gel polishes. I mean, the cool thing about this bottle is that it has this little tilt feature to it. So when your polishes start to run low, they can just tilt to the side, and you don't have to like have an item like this where you're like tilting the polish over to make sure you're getting every last drop. While I think that's cool and innovative, I do think that these bottles are very hard to store. They just take up so much space than the average bottle because they're so wide. So I just think that is a downfall to the bottle shape and design. But they are cute though. So let's take a look at each. Let's take a closer look at each of these colors here. Okay, so the first color we have here is B2103. Okay, really cute pastel blue. I mean, I don't think it really smells too sweet. I feel like Nail Reserve and Madame Glam have polishes that smell sweeter. It just smells like a regular nail polish. It doesn't smell as chemically strong though, but it's a cute pastel blue. We got 9124. Another blue, looks very, very similar to the other. B2303. Oh, cute. It's a nice pastel green color. It kind of matches the bottle a little bit. So that's what that color looks like. B2603. Nice pastel pink color. Super cute. B2702. Very beautiful pastel purple. That's really gorge. Super adorbs. Then we have B2901. Really pretty pastel orange here. So let's get the swatching. B2103. B2104. Yeah, it's a good gel polish. Levels nicely. Cute. B2303. B2603, B2702, B2901, So this is what all the colors are looking like swatched out. Let's take a look at each color up close. So the first color we have here is B2103, and like I said earlier, it's a really cute light blue or pastel blue color. B2104, and now that I take a closer look at this one's like a pastel mint green color, very pretty. B2303, which is this really gorgeous pastel green. B2603, which is this gorgeous pastel pink, really light dainty baby pink. B2702, pastel purple, really cute lilac-y kind of color, like that one a lot. And then we have B2901, which is this gorgeous pastel orange, kind of leans a little bit yellow too, so kind of a mixture in between there. This here is a really gorgeous collection from MelodySusie. It's perfect for the spring/summer. So this here is the next item that I got from MelodySusie. Actually takes up a lot of space. Okay, you guys, I'm having a hard time getting this in frame, but this is the new travel box that MelodySusie has come out with, and it's quite massive. It's very sturdy. It's like a hard case. It's very different than the other travel bag that I have, but it has like these cute gold detailed zippers. MelodySusie logo here on the front. This is what the side looks like. I think it comes with a strap so you can attach it to here and carry it across your shoulder. It also has this feature in the back where if you're traveling, you can put it over your luggage to make it easier to travel with. This is the other side. This here is the top. It also has the MelodySusie handle, and you can carry it to go like so. And then let's take a look at this first compartment here at the front. Wow, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so this here is the strap that I mentioned. So you'll hook that on to either side, and then you can carry it as you go. Then this here are just different compartments. Here at the bottom we have space for your brushes, so when you want to do like different designs and such. Then here you can put a lamp. I do have that MelodySusie cordless rechargeable lamp, and let's see if that'll fit in here. Let's see. Looks like it just barely wants to fit in here. So you probably have to use like a different lamp. I mean, it does fit, but it's a pretty tight snug. It's a pretty tight fit to get in here, but there's still room to spare. And then in here, if you want, you can put. And then in here, if you want, you can put the MelodySusie nail drill, like so. And mind you, when you're traveling with this, it's going to be upright, but it's nice that everything's hard because it won't, you know, fall onto itself. So, and then over here, you can maybe put like a cordless lamp if you wanted to, you know, if you wanted to do Gel-X nails and things like that. So, a lot of different options here for storage. Actually, I probably wouldn't put that in there. That doesn't fit too good. If you wanted to travel like with some acrylics and such, if you wanted to travel with acrylics, you can easily store those in here. Like I have some big 85-gram containers of acrylic, so you can put like your acrylic products in here, like so. So that's the bottom part here. So you can put all your big electronics in here. Don't have to worry about them getting smushed or anything. And then I'm going to flip it over and show you guys what the top looks like, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, wow. That's quite nice. So at the very top here, it has compartments and slots for gel polishes. And then what's underneath here? Okay, so it's just... Oh, okay, so when you put it in there... I mean, what's the point of this here, I guess? I'm not sure what the point of this one is here. Because... I guess maybe if you wanted to travel with like gel pots and things, you can. But then at the top here, which is also really nice, it has a zipper. So you can store even more like products and such. I will say this is pretty big, pretty heavy, a bit bulky. I don't know how easy this would be to travel with because by itself it has a little bit of weight. Okay, it looks like it shut off on me there, but I was showing you guys how to put some gel polishes in here. I was saying that it was pretty cool that they have this set up to where it can fit these like really odd shaped gel polish bottles, because this definitely is not the average size of a gel polish bottle, but it also easily fits these type of bottles. And then for these rectangular ones, you know, can fit bottles such as this in there very easily. So yeah, I mean, and then also if you wanted to, you know, you can fit some of like your gel paint, your potted gels in here as well. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, you can fit a variety of things in here. You know, you definitely want to make it nice and convenient for you. But as I was stating earlier, this is really heavy. So all I have in here right now is a lamp. So I have a lamp, I have a nail drill, have a couple of acrylics, and I'll have a few gel polishes. And this thing is really, really heavy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I don't think that it's super convenient to travel with like that. I think the box itself, the container itself, is just heavy and bulky, but it's really pretty and it's very well made. It's very like structured. And my other traveling nail polish kit or travel nail bag isn't. It's like more of like mesh, or it collapses. It's not like hard on the sides. So I guess you kind of got to pick your vice. Do you want something strong and that can withhold, or do you want something that's lighter but things move around a little bit more? So yeah, I thought this was pretty cool as well. And then like I said, this part comes out, so you can definitely, you know, store even more things up in here. So yeah, these are some pretty cool new products that MelodySusie came out with. Another special shout out to MelodySusie for sending this over for review. I do also have a discount code with them. I'll leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. And let me know you guys' thoughts on these two products. Is this something you'd purchase or would you pass? And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day.